Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is February the 10th. Let's take a look here, guys. The chart of the day, Euro Pound 60 minutes time frame. So I'm just going to be focusing on the 1 hour time frame now and not really going to be looking at any other time frame. So you can see right here we are looking for further downside with a turning down arrow, meaning we have not yet broken below the previous low. So that means that's why we have not gotten a bearish sequence. So we ended with 2 here. Alright, so supposedly the rally was corrective, and then now looking for a wave 3 lower, and within wave 3 we have not broken below the previous one in blue, and that is why the arrow is only turning down. Now again, I'm going to be focusing on the shorter cycle. We can take a look at the daily, but I won't talk too much about the longer term. So this is the wave 2, which is the blue wave 2 here. So then this is your wave 1. So like I said, it has not broken below here. So technically, until it breaks below wave 1, you don't have the confirmation that we are really going to go lower. Confirmation only when it does break below wave 1. Now without breaking below wave 1, from technical point of view, you always have a chance this becomes something like ABC, right, before lower again. But having said that, going back to the 1 hour, we're going to be focusing on the shorter cycle, primarily on the structure of this and this. So if you take a look at the structure of the decline, that looks impulsive. That looks impulsive, and then this proposed count here looks quite reasonable. And then this one looks impulsive, and this one looks corrective. Right? I think it's very difficult for anybody to try to come up with a 5 ways up from the low here. It's because this one is definitely a much better way to count this rally as a 3 swing corrective rally rather than like a 5 ways up. So a 5 waves down from the 2 in blue followed by a 3 swings up from the low here, that favors more downside. So this structure alone, this move down, this move up, favors for the downside while it stays below 84.72. Now in the near term, there is still a possibility we can do a double in the wave 2. So this can actually become a W here. So unless we break below 1, we can do a W here, we can have an X and then Y. But even if it does do a double, like say WXY, then we can still see sellers at the next 100% extension, due to the fact that this first leg or this rally looks corrective and this decline looks impulsive. So again, the combination of a move that looks impulsive lower and a move that looks corrective higher here is giving more probability that we're going to break below the low here first rather than breaking above this high first. Right? It's going to break below this one first instead of breaking above this one first. Well, in the near term, again, the other alternate scenario, so instead of going down right now, we can still see WXY. But even if that happens, most likely we're going to see sellers again for another leg down due to the fact of a 5 ways down and a 3 ways up. Alright, so that's the idea here. As always, if you want to get more updates on the Euro Pound or any other Forex pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.